Hauling this stand back. Kirk back there holding on if needed. Kirk fell out of the truck a while ago and did a brake fall. Kind of like a drop and roll. You ready back there? See how this goes. Alright. Went okay.
Get that gate or?
Oh shit, yeah. Definitely got to get that gate. That mule will come right through here.
I should have took a picture of the other one before we come down here.
Actually, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here.
This will be fun. I know.
This is the same exact worms. Sure looks like. Ow.
Oh, it's actually go up in the air.
Alright, we got it together. It's up. We're gonna have to adjust it. We'll probably pull it back into here somewhere, or maybe over here. It's got to be adjusted, but we can't do it with 2 people. We got a corn tube feeder here, another camera over there, and 1 camera here. I'm gonna turn it on. So hopefully we'll get some pretty close-up shots. They just mulched this whole thing in here yesterday, and there's deer tracks all in here today. Craziness.